Hello children, hope all are fine and healthy. Myself Kokila Bhatia teaching Maths 1st Standard 8th in Shet Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss and learn lesson number 12 equations in one variable. Children, you must have come across the word equation and we have done equation sums in our previous standards also. I think in standard 7th also you had equation. Okay, so can anybody tell me what is an equation? Yes, when we solve the equation, we get the value of the variable. The value of the variable which satisfies the given equation is called solution of the equation. To satisfy the equation means after substituting the value of the variable in the equation, we should get left hand side is equal to right hand side. So, an equation is simply a number sentence with a variable in the place of an unknown value. It can be any letter you want, although X is most commonly used. We may add or subtract the same number or expression from both sides of the equation. We may multiply or divide by the same non-zero number or expression. So, the equation obtained by performing the same operation on both sides does not change its solution. There are some methods to solve the equations. We can add or subtract or multiply or divide by the same number to both the sides of the equations. Let's see through these examples. Now x plus 4 is equal to 9. You have to find out the value of x. Okay. Now it is x plus 4 is equal to 9. You have to remove 4. And you have for 4 you have got plus sign. So to remove that 4 you have to subtract 4. Now that subtraction has to be done on both the sides. So you will write subtracting 4 from both sides. Therefore x plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 9 minus 4. Now plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled because plus into minus is minus. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled. Therefore x is equal to 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is what? 5. So you have got the value of x, that is 5. Okay. Now if you substitute that value, see your left hand side and right hand side will be same. Now if you substitute the value of x, that is 5, if you add 5 plus 4, 9. So you are getting 9 on your left hand side also and you have got 9 on the right hand side also. Okay. Now the second example, x minus 2 is equal to 7. Now you are going to remove 2. You are going to remove minus 2. To remove minus 2, you are going to add 2 to both sides. So adding 2 to both sides, therefore x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 7 plus 2. Now minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled. So the value of x is 7 plus 2, that is 9. Now if you substitute the value of 9 in that equation, 9 minus 2 is what? 7. So your left hand side is also 7 and your right hand side is also 7. Okay. Now let's see the third example. X divided by 3 is equal to 4. Now when there is division sign, you are going to multiply. Correct. So and you are going to remove 3 by multiplying 3 on both the sides. So multiplying both sides by 3. So x upon 3 into 3 is equal to 4 into 3. 3 gets cancelled. So x is equal to 4 3s is what? 12. Got it? Okay. Now the fourth example. 4x is equal to 24. 4x means 4 multiplied by x is equal to 24. Now to remove 4 and you have got a multiplication sign, then you are going to use that opposite sign, that is division. So dividing both sides by 4. So 4x upon 4 is equal to 24 upon 4. 4 gets cancelled. So x is equal to 6. Am I clear, children? Solution of equations in one variable. In some cases, more than one mathematical operations have to be performed on an equation to find its solution. For example, now look here, children. 7x minus 20 is equal to 3x plus 28. First, here you are going to remove minus 20. So, to remove minus 20, what have we to do? We are going to add 20 on both sides. So, adding 20 on both sides, 7x minus 20 plus 20 is equal to 3x plus 28 plus 20. So, minus 20 and plus 20 on your left hand side gets cancelled. So, 7x is equal to 3x plus 48. Got it? Understood? Yes? Okay. Then now you are going to remove 3x from both the sides. Remove 3x because both the side on left hand side and right hand side, if you have got x, you cannot find the value of x. Can you? No. So here let us subtract 3x from both the sides. So 7x minus 3x is equal to 3x plus 48 minus 3x. So 7x minus 3x is what? 4x. 4x is equal to, now in your right hand side, 3x minus 3x gets cancelled and what is left? 48. Now you have got 4x is equal to 48. Now you are going to find out the value of x, right? So it is 4x. 4x means multiplication, 4 into x. So to remove 4, we have to divide 4 on both the sides. So dividing both sides by 4. 4x upon 4 is equal to 48 upon 4. So 4 gets cancelled. Therefore x is equal to 12. Am I clear, children? So here what you have done, more than one operations you have used. Got it? Now if you substitute this value in your left hand side and right hand side, so you will get both. 7x means 7 into 12. 7 12 is what? 84. 84 minus 20 is what? 64. 64. Now here in your right hand side, 3x plus 28. 3x, 3 12 is what? 36. Correct? 36 plus 24, 28 is again 64. So right hand side and your left hand side is same. Let's go with this example, children. 2x minus 2, that is in the bracket, is equal to 5 upon 4, x plus 1 is in the bracket. Now from your right hand side, you are first going to remove 4. So that is 5 upon 4. So it is divided by 4, right? So divide will get changed into multiplication. Correct. So you are going to multiply both sides by 4. So 2 multiplied by 4, x minus 2 is equal to 5 upon 4 into 4, x plus 1. So what is 2 4s are? 8. 8 and in the bracket it is x minus 2. Now in the right hand side, your 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So 5 x minus 1 is in the bracket. Now 8 and in the bracket it is x minus 2. So you open the bracket first. So 8 has to be multiplied by x. So it becomes 8x minus 8 to be multiplied by 2. It is 16. 8 2s is 16. Now in your right hand side again 5 in the bracket it is x plus 1. So 5 is to be multiplied with x, that is 5x plus 5 to be multiplied by 1 is 5. So what equation do you form there? 8x minus 16 is equal to 5x plus 5. Now you are going to remove what? You are going to remove 16 from your left hand side. So there it is subtraction sign. So what will you do to remove 16? You are going to add 16 on both the sides. So you will write adding 16 on both the sides. So 8x minus 16 plus 16 is equal to 5x plus 5 plus 16. So 8x minus 16 plus 16 gets cancelled. So 8x is equal to 5x plus 5 plus 16 is what? 21. Correct. So you get an equation as 8x is equal to 5x plus 21. Now what you are going to do? You are going to remove 5x. Correct. So 5x you are going to remove and 5x has got plus sign. So what are you going to do? You are going to subtract 5x from both sides. So 8x minus 5x is equal to 5x plus 21 minus 21. So 8x minus 5x is what? 3x. Correct. And in your right hand side 5x gets cancelled. So what is left? 21. So 3x is equal to 21. Now to find out the value of x, it is 3x multiplication. So that will get converted into divide. So you are going to divide what on both sides? 3. Correct. So dividing both sides by 3. 3x divided by 3 is equal to 21 divided by 3. 3 gets cancelled. So the value of x is what? X is equal to 7. Solving equation of the form a upon b is equal to c upon d. If a, b, c, d are non-zero expressions such that a upon b is equal to c upon d, then multiplying both sides by b into d, we get the equation AD is equal to BC. For example, x plus 1 upon 11x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon 4. Here children, you are going to cross multiply. That is, 4 is to be multiplied with x plus 1 and 1 is to be multiplied with 11x minus 1. So your next step will be 4x plus 1 is equal to 1 11x minus 1. Now you open the brackets. 4 into x is 4x plus 4 into 1 is 4 is equal to 1 multiplied by 11x is 11x minus 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So the equation formed is 4x plus 4 is equal to 11x minus 1. Now you are going to remove 11x. To remove 11x, what have you to do? You are going to add, subtract, multiply, divide. What are you going to do? Yes, you are going to subtract. So, subtracting 11x from both sides. So, 4x plus 4 minus 11x is equal to 11x minus 1 minus 11x. Now, on your left hand side, 4x minus 11x, 4 has got plus sign, 11 has got minus sign. So, plus into minus is minus. So, 11 minus 4 is what? 7. So, 7x with the sign of a bigger number, that is minus. So, minus 7x plus 4 is equal to, now on the right hand side 11x minus 11x gets cancelled. What is left? Minus 1. So, minus 7x plus 4 is equal to minus 1. Now, you are going to remove what? 4. That is plus 4. So, what are you going to do? You are going to subtract 4 from both sides. Correct. So, minus 7x plus 4 minus 4 is equal to minus 1 minus 4. So, minus 7x plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled is equal to minus 1 minus 4 minus minus is plus. So, 1 plus 4 is 5. Correct. Sign of a bigger number is minus. So, minus 5. So, minus 7x is equal to minus 5. Now, you are going to remove what? You are going to remove minus 7 by dividing it on both the sides. Correct. So, dividing both sides by minus 7. So, minus 7x upon minus 7x is equal to minus 5 upon minus 7. So, minus 7 gets cancelled. So, x is equal to, here it is minus 5 upon minus 7. So, minus also gets cancelled. So, what is the fraction left? 5 upon 7. So, the value of x is what? X is equal to 5 upon 7. Hope children you have understood how to solve the equation. I would like you to practice set 12.1. I will now continue this lesson in my next session. Thank you and God bless.